just wondering if it's buzzy or not. I put my voice a little bit faster, so everything goes faster, but just in the intro. So tell me what do you think about it in a comment, please, and let's proceed for the video. Hi and welcome to my channel. I'm Mary Mano, and in this video I want to show you how to make your little menu on the bottom for your legal and policy for your pages or your landing page or your website in Builderall. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring that little bell so you know when I put a new video on. So let's go.
Okay guys, so this little video is about how and where to get your disclaim and all of your legacy page, and do a little menu on the bottom of your website or your landing page. So right now I'm in the Builderall builder with working on a website. So the way you have to do is you have to add a page. So we're gonna have to add 3 pages. So we go to add page and we go to legals. So we have here disclaims, we have frequently asked questions, we have private policy, terms of website use, and refund policy. So we're going to put the disclaimer, we confirm, and it's going to be on our page that we just created. So you just have to go and modify it a little bit. Okay, then we're going to go and get the other ones. So we go to add page, legals, and we go to policy, private policy. We go confirm. Okay, so we're gonna go and bring this down a little bit. That's good. And then we're gonna go and get the other one. We go to add page, legals, and we're going to terms of website use. We confirm. And there we have our 3 important information we must put on our website. Now this page you have to go and read them quickly and modify. So here you have to put your your address, email address, and read it quickly. There's a little bit of modification to do on it. Okay, so then we're gonna go and to do a menu. Okay, so we go to here is menu, and you can choose whatever menu you want. So I'm gonna choose just the first one. It's just a simple one. All right, so here we got it. We're gonna bring it on the footer because this is for the legal advice. Sorry, here. Okay, so we right click, we go to edit menu. So we want to add our page, so we're going to add the disclaim, the privacy policy, and the terms of website. We go confirm and confirm again. So here we have our little menu with all of the rules of our website. So an important thing is to save and save again. So that's how we put a little small menu with the legal pages on our website in the footer in Builderall. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.